alone when somebody hears. Listen to the fear that's gone, strangled by the wishes of Pater, hoping for the arms of Mater. Get to me the sooner of later. Holding back the years, chance for me to escape from all I've known. Holding back the tears, 'cause nothing here has grown. I've wasted all my tears, wasted all those years, and nothing had the chance to be good, and now